We would like to welcome you back to another Coach's Corner segment. I'm Cameron Seeley, and I'm here today with cross country head coach Kara Kreitzer. Thank you for joining me today, Kara.
Thanks, Cameron.
You're coming off a bye week, but before that, your team hosted the Bridgestone Pacer Invitational. Talk to me about your team's performance in that race.
Well, it was a great event. We did finish third behind Georgia College and Francis Marion, but we were just 8 points behind Francis Marion. And I think it was a great effort by all the runners, and the event went smoothly thanks to a lot of our volunteers.
All right, that's awesome. At the race, you had a couple of ladies turn in personal best times by a large margin. Who was that?
Alexis Harvin and Lauren Hodge both turned in their fastest 5Ks ever, and that's pretty considerable because their fastest times previous were from a fast 5K in Charlotte, and it was over a minute and a half for both of them. So I hope that they'll continue that improved time when we go back to Charlotte for a 6K at the end of the season.
All right, this week you travel to Francis Marion on Friday. In the last regular season meet, what do you expect from your team this week?
Well, I'm hoping that we do well. We're going to run against some good competition, and like I said, we were only 8 points behind Francis Marion at our home meet, so we're hoping that we're going to stay right with them and possibly take home a win.
Okay. Do you think your team can repeat its last overall victory, which happened last year at the same meet?
I hope so. We are running against some different teams at the Francis Marion Invitational than we did last year, but I'm still hoping that we can take home the first place trophy again.
Awesome. With the conference championship on October 26th, what are your goals for the meet?
Well, I'm hoping that we can improve based on our finish last year, and hope that everyone can get their fast times that we've been looking for all season. Basically, the way our training goes, we're tapering towards the end of the season, meaning that we'll back up off of the mileage and just ramp up the intensity and hopefully have some really fast times. And also, since we're losing some of our seniors, we're just hoping that our juniors can start to step up and be ready to lead the team next year.
Yeah, now your girls that had personal best, are they seniors or are they juniors? Or?
Lauren Hodge is a senior, but Alexis Harvin is a junior.
All right. Well, we kind of just talked about this, but you only have 2 seniors on the team. What does that mean for you having a relatively young squad, which you kind of answered, but if you just want to elaborate on that.
Sure. We're definitely going to miss Keely Gillespie. She had a great finish at our home meet, pulling a first place win right at the finish line, and that was an awesome race to watch. And she owns a lot of the school's 5K and 6K fastest times. She has both of those records and also some of the top 5 5K and 6K performances. And so those will be some big shoes to fill for whoever becomes our first runner next year. And Lauren Hodge has been an integral part of our team. She is a role model, and she's really the glue that holds a lot of the team together. And although she suffered an injury last year, she worked hard in the off season and came back strong and is running some faster times than she was prior to her injury. So we're really going to miss her leadership and good role modeling as well.
Yeah. Wow. Well, I guess that's, speaking of Lauren Hodge, she's just an awesome runner, but let's go back to Keely.
Okay.
And she holds virtually every school record since 2000. What has she meant to this program, and what has she done for you guys here at USC Aiken? Well,
she's really just been such a leader and tried to push her fellow teammates to do their best, and also just encourage them when they haven't gotten all the fast times they've wanted to. But you know, also she's just a great competitor and has really led our team well in all the races.
Yeah. Well, I'd like to thank Coach Kreitzer for her time today, and we wish you and your team good luck this weekend at Francis Marion, and join us next time for another USC Aiken Coach's Corner.
Thank you.